Hey everyone, it's Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 3 of DIY V10 TDI engine removal. So I brought this out on a skid because I don't have a hoist for this car. All I used was a jack with 2 jack stands, a homemade skid, and then a pallet jack. So I have a video of it coming out. There are some pretty obvious connections that I had missed that the last 2 videos did not cover. So you got a ground on your front frame rail, which is very obvious. There was I believe a fuel line, and then this bracket which had some of your DPF sensors on it. It just bolted with a 10mm hex on both sides. And then a big one was the shifter cable, which I kind of bent. I'm hoping it's going to be okay. So that is just bolted onto the side. I had a video, or I'll have a video of including it on taking that apart. Other than that, it was really simple to take out. I had to make a custom skid. So measurements on it was about 29 or 30 inches wide. You just kind of wanted it sitting on the frame rail but not hitting the lower control arms. So it worked pretty good. So I had to trim a little bit off of the skid. So again, that was 30 inches wide, and then it was 4 feet long. But the issue was with it 4 feet long, I couldn't slide it far enough back on the pallet jack, so I had to make a little extension here. So I don't know what the measurement, if that'd be 6 or 8 inches back. And then I made some custom risers, so I put 2 pieces on the top for on that cross member. I put just 1 piece at the back cross member there. And then 2 pieces on the front one there. So those are just 1x4s, like rough cut wood. Yeah, obviously nothing too special. It worked really good. The only downside was I caught on the suspension and tweaked it pretty good. I think everything will be okay, but I would probably jack it up higher in the future. I just used 1 jack with 2 jack stands. So the body's actually really stiff, so it worked pretty good just to jack on the one side and it would lift the body up fairly evenly. The other issue with making a custom skid was the pump cart couldn't be centered on the skid, so it did have a bit of a lean. So it ended up some EGR tubes were quite tight to the firewall, so that's just something to, you can kind of see it where it rubbed there, but nothing too bad. It would definitely make it a lot easier if you have 2 jacks on both sides and can lift the body up square. But other than that, very easy to remove. I think all in all I was about 16 hours, which a lot of it was screwing around with the camera, taking videos and stuff. To do it again, I would imagine I could probably cut that in half. So I would imagine 8 hours out, and well, I'm not back together yet, so I don't know back together time, but I don't imagine it's going to be too hard. So you can watch the video and see how it comes out. And I'm going to be doing cams on this engine along with some freer flowing exhaust and a tune and some other stuff. So there will be a fair few more videos on this engine. So if you want to keep in touch and see what's going on, you can follow or subscribe and follow the build and see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching.